name is Frances, and I just want to bring to our notice that as a teacher, there are some things that you are doing in school that is not right. It is against students' rights. That is not proper, yes, and it is against the students' rights. Number one, for every student you see in your class, they have their rights according to the education law that governs this our nation. I come to understand that so many things that we are doing in the school system, especially teachers, that we don't even know that is against the students' rights. And you're just going free like that. We are lucky because to some extent, I won't say I'm perfect, but at least we are lucky that we did not meet parents that knows their rights. It will have been a serious issue. So I'm going to mention them. Number one, every student have rights to life. And how you are going to go against this right to life is when you are giving that child punishment that will disfigure that child. You are against the law. You are abusing that child's right to life. Every student have rights to dignity of human person. How will you go against this right? Is when you are punishing that student publicly. You are going against this right of that student. You don't come on assembly day and announce a student's fault publicly. It is against the child's rights. If you don't know it now. You don't come to the school assembly and barb a child's head based on whatever reasons you have. It's against that student's right to dignity. You don't embarrass a child publicly. It's against students' right to dignity. But how will you go against this right? If you put a child in a tight corner or in a place where the child will not be free to go and mingle with other children or express his or her freedom, that is against the right child to liberty. That is another right. Fair hearing. Every student have right to fair hearing. How? How will you go against this right? When a child does something and you not allow that child to express his or herself, you are fighting against that child's right. And no matter what that child does, or whatever the child can do, listen to that child. I've seen schools or teachers that you will not allow the child to talk. You say, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, keep quiet, keep quiet, keep quiet. Please allow the child to express themselves. They have that, is their right. Family life. You don't bring out a child's private life or family life to the public, especially. How do you go against this right? When you how do you go against this right? When you bring the child's family problem to the public or to the school in order to embarrass that child. Maybe the parents couldn't pay for school fees and you come and say your parents cannot pay your school fees, see your head, your parents are poor, why did they bring you to this school? They are going against the child's right to know it now. It's against a child's right to private life and family. It is against saying child have right to freedom. The child has right to move around. As long as the child is not making noise, has right to move around. Some teachers, when they see a child going out and coming in without even asking where are you coming from, that's how you will not allow the child to talk. So every child has right to freedom. And that is for now. I'm also going to mention the other ones that you need to know. Please, if you're a classroom teacher, know all this. Go and study the rights of students so that you will not go against the law or do something to a parent or a child that the parents knows their rights. And it's not going to be funny. So in my next video, I'm going to tell us also, just like the way students have their rights, teachers as well also have their rights. And I'm going to do that in my next video. But if you want me to do it, you have to tell me because it's my knowledge I'm sharing here for free. Some people are paying for it. I paid for it actually. It's my master's program. So, and I paid school fees to go and acquire the knowledge. If you want me to do a video on the right of a teacher, just put it down in the comment section so that I will know, okay, some people are interested. I will now come up and do it. Thank you. So please stay away from trouble and don't go against any child's rights. It is not good. See you.